So those of you who know our video where we do those cool facelift things, what I told Coco I want her to do is lift my face with makeup without the bands. And I want her to take 10 years off my age. I want to look 10 years younger.
I can make you look fresh and rested and more youthful. I don't know if I'm going to go.
I don't look rested?
I think you kind of think I'm going to go in and do a lot of sculpting. And actually, I'm not. I'm going to do a lot of softening. But I will give you sculpt around your
You'll
jaw
like make
line.
this not look so...
Yes. Well, I'm going to give the illusion with
Make my nose look smaller?
I think I can do. Just maybe a little
want my nose smaller.
contouring on that.
My lips are cool because I needle them all the time, so
Yep.
those are good.
Okay.
I'm decent with those. Okay, so let's start makeup.
Let's do it.
Okay. So Coco, everybody's used to seeing us, but we never say what we do. So what did you do for all those years?
I was a makeup artist for Bobbi Brown, and I traveled around the West Coast doing makeup and demonstrations. I loved my job, and now I'm kind of just retired.
And then there's me, the crazy ADHD mad scientist. And when I'm not busy making YouTube videos, running our skincare studio, I am painting frescoes and murals all over Southern California. But makeup is certainly not my forte. This is why I'm so grateful for Coco and my daughter.
Do you think we're ready?
I do. I think I want to do something like this.
Okay.
Hey.
In 20 minutes, I'm gonna look 47. Oh, that's sad. I never thought I would want to look 47.
No, I know. It sure sounds good now, huh?
Yeah, that's really sad.
I'm
What's
just
this?
putting on a little moisturizer.
I guess I should keep my face here. Huh?
No, because then I only see this much of your face. You need to keep your face up.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
Never done a makeup tutorial, so, and not that we're doing a tutorial, we're actually seeing what kind of miracles that Coco can do.
Now, I just got this yesterday.
Okay.
And I tried it today on myself and I liked it.
Yeah?
It's Bobbi Brown, and I never use a primer, but I thought this would be a fun primer. So this is a primer plus mattifier, which you do get a little oily in these areas, correct?
Yeah, I do, but I like to look dewy.
You want to look dewy, you just don't want to look greasy.
Primered.
Like good at your pores and everything.
It looks
just with
yellow right here, huh?
the primer. Yeah, that's just,
Is that just my skin?
I believe that's called tea stain. And it's just the way we get under our eyes and on our eyelids.
What?
Yeah, tea stained. As we get older, that's
What?
one of the benefits.
Benefits?
Benefits that we collect is being tea stained. I like to put on foundation with my fingers, but I want to see how it goes on with this brush. I'm using a more yellow foundation on you because yellow corrects pink, and you have a lot of pink in your skin. Now I'm just gonna put, because as we get older, our eyelids get oilier in the day, so our, close your eye, our eyeshadow crease, it tends to crease.
Is it that we get oilier, or there's just more hanging skin to hold the oil in?
I think you're probably right. I think we're both right.
Okay, this is already more time than I spend on my face in the morning.
Don't spit on my brushes. Now this is just bronzer.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna kind of trace around your facial line.
Get
Here's
in.
the trick that kind of contours the jawline. You want to bring it down. Just shade in.
Does this
these
make my
areas.
neck look thinner?
You know, it's going to give you a more sculpted jaw, like in photos.
sculpting.
Little sculpting on the jaw area. You're already nice and pink. So you said you wanted your nose contoured a little.
I want a thinner nose. Is my nose thin now?
It's going to appear thinner. I'm gonna do this. Bring it up a little. This is just a luster light, and I'm just gonna put it right here, pat it in, and then sweep it. It's just gonna give you a lit from within.
Wait. I can't wait for you to try to do this blindfolded.
Oh, it's gonna be so easy.
Really? I actually look like I came out of a bird. Really? What's that?
This is Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I'm still filtering you. It's a highlighter.
What is that?
So this is the Too Faced
what is that smell?
natural
Coconut
matte
or
coconut.
something? It smells like I'm on vacation.
Doesn't it smell pretty?
Yeah, that smells, it's like vanilla coconut.
I know. It's,
that smells
pretty
good.
Yummy. And I'm going to use cool tone, like cooler tones on you than the warmer tones.
Okay.
So close your eye, and I'm just going to do an all-over shade. That I used a NARS eyeshadow primer, which just makes your eyeshadows look like velvet. Now see how smooth the powder is on the eyelid? Now here we go. Fun stuff. This is such a beautiful palette.
Oh yeah, so if you just use what I have, then I can do it. Oh, you're mixing colors. Oh no.
Just the dark and the light that's right next to each other.
Which ones are you using?
I'm using Sexpert and Less is More. Close your eye. I want to bring it all the way up to here because Tiffany has a little bit of a hooded eye.
I have a serious hooded eye.
And
now let me ask you something. On everything that I have researched on these hooded eyes, they say to keep the lid super, super light and only do the contour way up high above the hood flap. That sounds so gross.
Just remember, when you're doing your makeup, everybody has a different take on it.
Okay.
So there is no like right or wrong way.
Okay.
I'm just trying to make your eyelid look bigger.
Okay. Wow.
I can hear your tummy.
That's your tummy.
No, could I?
That's yours.
Oh, it's my tummy. What if I do your eyeshadow and nobody likes your look?
So, all you ladies out there, if you like what Coco did to me, leave her a comment.
Yeah, if you didn't like it.
If you don't like it,
it's okay.
It's okay. You don't have to say anything.
You don't have to like it. You can say you liked her better before. Then we'll try a different look on her someday. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this softer.
Now what are you doing?
Look up. I'm just gonna give you a little smudge color under your eye.
What color is that?
This is the Less is More. Get over here. It's like doing makeup on a kid.
You need to keep up your energy.
Busy art. Bizarre. Bizarre. Busy art.
Vice art.
Vice art.
I literally do my eyebrows in 10 seconds.
Girl.
My whole makeup takes me 5 minutes. I'm busy.
Oh, what I do different than you is I come and I go above the brow to start filling in instead of below, because I kind of believe that when you go above the line to fill in the brow, it kind of gives a lift to the eye. When you start filling in down here, if you go too low, it's dropping the brow.
Okay.
And then this is just brow gel.
Oh.
And it's just
Oh my God, one more thing. This is a lot of work. It's the ADHD. It's like just sitting here, I feel like a disruptive child in class. Like
You
I just
want to be busy.
I want to do disruptive things
That is so
to
funny.
amuse myself.
Now this is Shiseido's
Whoa.
new blush.
That's
and it's
pretty.
like, it is literally
That's one of my favorite colors.
like
but...
a mousse. I think blush makes you look friendly and happy and youthful.
Do I look friendly?
You know how kids, when they've been playing, their cheeks get all rosy?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just adding a little blush across your nose, like sun, like you've been running. You just get flushed right now.
Okay. Not like Sweet Baby Jane?
No.
Okay.
Okay, and then I brought my lip liner. It's called Natural Mauve.
Oh my God, lip
Lancome.
liner. If I had to do lip liner.
Soft line right on the edge of your lips. Now, I'm
Oh
just
my
gonna
gosh,
give
more
you a
stuff?
spray to set all the powder into the skin. we need one. You've never sprayed your face?
No, I don't spray my face. No.
Girl. And this is a Marc Jacob eyeliner, gel eyeliner, which I find really, really good.
Does it hold?
Yeah.
Because you know everything bleeds on me.
I know. I'm just barely going in here. And then I'm going to smudge it a little bit
How are you sponging it?
with one of your eyebrow brushes. It's right on the neck.
Do I look younger, you guys?
You look pretty. I don't know, can any of us really look 10 years younger?
Yes. I have seen people without their makeup and then they put their makeup on and I think, holy moly.
Okay. If you wanted a little pinker, I could come in with this crazy, yummy
the
cushion
blush?
Mm-hmm.
That blush was so pretty.
It's love it. I
This
think
is
that's the
actually
star of the video.
Mhm.
Every day you just barely do anything. You could just put this on the apples of your cheeks. This will stay all day and you'll just look fresh.
It's like I want one of these for my birthday, but it's not till December again.
See how tricky she is?
We have the same birthday. We really do. We have the same birthday.
Okay, fluff your hair like you normally do.
I don't know what I can do right now. I don't know.
Oh, see? It's very soft. Let your hair down. Okay. I think
She's the glamour queen. I'm like the 7-year-old.
this, I believe this is really soft on you.
What do you think? Did she do good?
I love the cheeks.
Do you like the cheeks? I haven't seen myself yet, so I don't
Yeah.
even know what I look like.
Yeah.
Do you feel good about this?
You
Are
know,
you happy?
I'll stand behind it as a retired makeup artist who hasn't been doing this for a long time.
Okay.
Considering you did give me the worst mascara in the whole wide world because it smudges everywhere. But, you know, it's #1 selling. So
Is it?
some people really think
My
this
daughter
is the best.
loves it.
And I hate this mascara.
Okay, so that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was fun.
I stopped doing what I love due to an illness called fibromyalgia. I'm sure everyone's heard of it, but probably not everyone understands it. Just look like an everyday person, normal. And
Except that you wake up every day not knowing if you're going to be able to get out of bed.
exactly. Whether I'm going to be able to do 5 tasks or 1 task, get my coffee, and then go back to bed.
And I think it's important for other people and other women especially to understand that you can look amazing on the outside.
You look totally normal. No one would even think that there's pain going on in your body.
And I'm hoping that Coco will start her own blog for all you girls out there that might suffer from this as a real thing to see what... Look, you're getting all emotional. I'm sorry.
know. I've thought about it, so I wonder if it would be like to help other people understand how lonely it can be and how people don't always understand you and how sometimes you feel kind of like a failure because you want to be the person you are, but your body says not today.
And we almost didn't shoot this today.
Right, because I actually have a migraine. So I powered through and came.